Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to unbox my new camera, the Sony CyberShot DSC-WX500. I purchased this camera as a replacement to my old CyberShot, which stopped working. Now here's a quick look at the text on the box. Now it's time to unbox the camera. Let's take a look at the contents of the box. These are the instruction manuals and warranty card. Now here's a quick look at the camera. I have a more detailed video about the camera's quality and features after this unboxing, so continue watching if you want to see that. This is the micro USB charging cable. And this is the charging adapter. This lets you connect the USB cable into a power outlet. Now this is the camera strap. You should also find a camera battery wrapped in plastic inside a box. I already installed my battery in the camera since I unboxed this earlier at the store so that I could test it. Now let's take a closer look at the camera and its accessories. To set up the charger, you'll need to plug the cable into the adapter. One end plugs into the power outlet and the other end plugs into the camera. If the camera's display is facing you, the charging port can be found on the right side. To attach the camera strap, you will need to loop it through the hole on the right side. The strap is very useful if you will be using your camera outdoors, since this will reduce the chance of dropping it. But I'm going to be removing my strap since I plan to use this camera on my tripod. If you're not going to use the strap, I would recommend removing it since it may swing in front of the camera's lens and block the camera when it's moving. Now, I'm going to transfer the SD card from my old camera to the new one. Here's a closer look at the battery in case you want to buy some extras. The camera's display can rotate 180 degrees. This is useful for taking selfies or vlogging. Here's a quick look at the camera's modes. You can pause the video if you want to read the description for each mode. This is how far the camera's lens extends at full zoom. Now, I'm going to take some photo samples. I'm going to show you what each picture looks like after I take them. This time, I'm going to test the camera's zoom and built-in flash. Now, it's time for a video test. I'm going to be recording an MP4 file in 1080 Full HD. You will need to press the movie button instead of the shutter button to record videos. Hello everyone, and welcome to an audio and autofocus test on the Sony WX500. Now here's a quick look at the camera's menu. I was able to connect the camera to my Wi-Fi at home. You will need a Sony account to update or install apps. After creating a Sony account, I was able to use the apps on my camera. This is the Smart Remote Control app. It allows you to control your camera using your phone. If you want the video on your screen to look more fluid, you will need to turn off your phone's Bluetooth. I only learned that after recording this video. Now hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. Please like and subscribe for more and to help support the channel. Now thanks for watching.